Hello my lovely foodies, we will make this super soft, easy to bake bread in just an hour from scratch without knead, without yeast and without any elbow grease. And if you don't have any proper oven, can't bake over a stove top, this bread recipe is right for you. Starting with, let's take 1 plus 3/4 cup of hot milk. In this mix 1 tablespoonful of vinegar. After mixing, we will let this sit aside say about 10 minutes. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Do consider to subscribe, hitting the bell icon for latest recipe updates every week. Now take any glass or ceramic baking tray. We have taken here 6 by 6 inch. Spray and brush with little bit of oil to grease the tray. And then we will line it with a teaspoon of flour. Spread and take out the excess of it. Our baking tray is ready. Let's keep this aside for a while. We will now take a mixing bowl. In this add 2 cups of whole wheat flour atta, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and half a teaspoon of we will add salt to it. Guys, this is now baking powder. Baking powder we will add about 1.5 teaspoon. Mix all the dry ingredients properly so that everything gets properly blended. After we have well mixed all the dry ingredients of the bowl, we will make a little bit of space or well in between, and here we will add, this is 2 tablespoons of butter. Butter is at room temperature, that's why it is melted, and we will add 1 full tablespoon of honey to this. Honey is also at room temperature. Now gradually adding milk to this, we will mix and make a very loose dough. You don't need to put your hands in this. With the help of a spoon, our job will be done. Have a look. Don't over mix this. When whole of the flour is incorporated, then it's perfect. And this is the right perfect consistency of the dough that we want. Let's now quickly transfer this to the baking tray. Make the upper surface smooth. Let's now bake this. Here, as we have to bake this in a solo microwave, we will bake this at 180 watt for 50 to 55 minutes. In a regular oven, you can bake this bread at 200 degrees Celsius for 40 to 45 minutes. Let the bread cool down over a stand and then we will demold and cut it. We could have made the bread over a higher power, that is higher watt, and it would have taken us hardly 5 minutes to bake it. But baking at low watt, though it takes much time, but ensures a soft and beautifully risen bread. Have a look at the texture of the bread, how soft it is inside. Toast and enjoy it with your jam or butter. Do make and enjoy this hassle-free bread recipe. If you really like the video, then don't forget to share it with your family and friends so that they can also make and enjoy this easy to make bread recipe. And don't forget to give your valuable feedback and comments till we meet again. Bye bye.